Piny Kenya oyudo omenda maromo siling bilion 10 madhi konyo gedo mar kambi madhi chako chenro maloso kaachiel gi uso yedhe mag chanjo e bwo kar tiegruok mar Biovax ma koro omi tich mar gero kambino. Koro igeno ni bende dhi loso yedhe mag ahonda ma kahera, aruodhi e kind mamoko. Jobod manyien kotelne gi jaod bura machon ma Keses mar Rip Mishra nonyiso chir mar chako loso yedhe e thuolo mar higni 2 mabiro.
We have been able to complete an exercise we've undertaken with the Ministry of Health, led very ably by the CS and the Principal Secretary especially, Harry Kimtai, with the World Bank, together the National Treasury. We've been able to secure, Mr. Chairman, funding for the whole health project of $120 million, but specifically for Kenya Biovax Institute, $80 million, which allows you to be able to commence immediately the fill and finish facility itself and conclude it in the next couple of years.
Kenya will be the first nation in Africa, the self-sufficient to manufacture pharmaceuticals, surgicals, disposables, and high-end health products, both preventive and curative, and which is amazing. It will be quality, cost-effective, and also we will be ambassador to other African and other countries which will like our products, comply with international accreditation, WHO recognition, GMP.
Jolweny mag pi kata Kenya Navy komakore gi kaunti ma Kwale